Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off suggestions mode in Google Docs. So as the name would suggest, the suggestion mode, it's a feature in Google Docs that allows users to suggest changes to a document without actually altering the original text. Now, this is very similar to Microsoft Word's Track Changes feature if you're more familiar with the Office line of productivity applications. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the drop-down arrow next to editing or edit mode. You should see a suggesting button in here. Just go ahead and select that. And now you'd be able to go ahead and actually modify stuff in the document without actually deleting or changing anything. And it would show up in blue text or different highlighted colors if there's multiple users on here. And then if you want to exit out of suggesting mode, you can just select the drop-down arrow and then select editing. And that's pretty much all you have to do in order to go from drafting mode to suggesting mode and back and forth. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.